Hello guys, welcome. In this video, we will see mosquito in under microscope. Let's go and see. So I am prepared mosquito slide. Let us see. So here is a slide of mosquito. Under microscope, we can see a leg of mosquito. Mosquito have 3 pairs of legs. That is 6 legs. This is hind part of leg. Mosquito spread malaria. Malaria is caused by protozoa. Inside mouth of mosquito, protozoa is there. This round particle is water bubble. When mosquito bite, protozoa enter into body. If we look closely, we can see hairs on a leg. This is mosquito leg what we are seeing. Let us see wing of the mosquito. I place the mosquito wing slide. What we are watching a mosquito wing. We can see a lot of patterns in the wing. Mosquito have pair of wings. That is 2 wings. If we watch carefully, we can see hair on the wings. This wing helps mosquito to fly. These are wings in the wing. We can see different colors, different patterns. Wings are attached to abdomen. We can see different lines and hair. Mosquito wings are transparent. There are tiny little hairs on it. We can see lot of scales used to fly. Now let's zoom in and see. Female Anopheles mosquito causes malaria. Now let us see head part of mosquito. These are parts of mosquito. We are seeing proboscis of mosquito. This is the mouth part. Through this mosquito bites and sucks the blood. This is proboscis. This is the long part of the mouth. Tip of it is very sharp like needle. We can also see antennas. This is the head part of mosquito. Mosquito have compound eyes. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.